Hello, everyone, and welcome to 4J Media Live. Today, we're going to be talking about how to get started with Google Sheets. So let's jump right into it. So I'm over here at inside my Google Suite, and I just clicked on Google Sheets, and so I'm going to run through this real quick and show you how to get started with it. So they have a variety of options here. You can grab a template, so you can go to the template gallery real quick, and I'll show you what they have here. They have an invoice, weekly timesheet, financial statements, annual business budget, expense report, purchase order, employee shift schedule, customer relationship management, website paid traffic report, dashboard, monthly budget, calendar, annual budget, travel planner, wedding planner, grade book, attendance, assignment tracker, okay? So they have a lot of great templates that you can use, okay? So now if I go back to 4J Media, I don't have any templates, which is okay. Eventually I will have one, but I haven't really played with this too much. So I opened up a spreadsheet here. So I'm going to call this test. Okay, and I'm going to hit return. And what that's going to do is it's going to hit, okay, say saving, all changes saved in Drive. So if I go through the options here, the little toolbar here, these are similar to what I did with Google Docs, which I was talking about yesterday. So you can do undo, redo, print, paint format, which is where you can leave comments, zoom in, zoom out. You can format as currency, percent, decrease decimal places, increase decimal places, more formats. So you can do number, percent, scientific, accounting, financial, currency rounded, date, time, duration, more formats, more currencies, and okay. So it gives you more options here, and there's a lot of stuff in here you can fiddle with. So you can edit the font, and they have a number of fonts here available. You can change the font size. You can do bold, italic, strike through, change the color, fill color, which is like you can fill the cell. So let's do yellow, okay. Then you can add borders. So if I did this and did this, that should light everybody up. Let's see if that works. Yep, that worked. So now I can really see this. It really pops. Okay, now this. Okay, then you can do the align tool. So you can do left, center, right, vertical align, top, middle, bottom, text wrapping, overflow, wrap, clip, text rotation, so we can go none, tilt up, tilt down, stack vertically, rotate up, and rotate down, okay? You can add a link, you can insert a comment, insert a chart, create a filter, and you can do a bunch of formulas here. So you can do sum. So let's say that you wanted to do like 5. Let's do 5, and this is 10, and this is the sum, right? So we'll do sum, and we'll do okay, so we got 15. Because what it's doing is it's adding 5 plus 10, and it's giving me the sum. Okay, so that's the toolbar here. Now, a lot of those options are available in File as well. For File, you can share, you can do new, open, import, make a copy, download as a Excel doc, PDF, web page, open document format, emails, attachment, version history, rename, move to trash, publish to the web, document details, spreadsheet settings, and print. So you can save this as an Excel doc if you needed to. Edit, the common tools for edit. You can do view, freeze, no rows, one row, show formulas, protected ranges, zoom, you can do full screen, insert, row above, below, column left, column right, cells and shift down, chart, image, drawings, form, function, checkbox, comment, note, new sheet. Okay, so they give you a lot of options. Format, number, You can pick a different format that you need. Bold, italic, underline, strike through, font size. Again, a lot of this is actually right here. Most of that is. Data, you can create a filter, which that's right over here. Okay. Filter views, data validation, pivot table, named ranges, protect sheets and ranges, so on and so forth. Data connectors, tools, you can create a form, script editor, macros, spelling, activity dashboard, etc. Add-ons, they have a lot of add-ons, just like with Docs. They give you the ability to do kind of real cool things. They have a template gallery, super quiz, and like I said, I'm not going to go through all these. There's a lot of them. So this is kind of a cool thing. I could do another video just on the extensions, which I will do. So I'm going to close that. I'm going to go to help. We got sheets, help, training, updates, report a problem, report abuse or copyright, function list, and keyboard shortcuts. Which this one, so you got editing, menus, formatting, data, review, selection, screen reader support, file commands, view, navigation. You get the idea. So they have a lot of keyboard shortcuts that I highly recommend checking out and learning so that you can really figure out what's going on. Okay? So that's all I have for this webcast for today. Tomorrow I'm going to be covering Google Slides. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.